Dear students, today we start our lecture number 6 for the English grammar, the unit 1. Today's topic is present perfect continuous tense. Now, what is the meaning of present perfect continuous tense or where it will be used? Normally, the work we have already done in past, and this will be continuously work at present, and it will be done in future. So this combinations of all three conditions together, it makes the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so એવું કહેવાય કે હું પહેલાં પણ ભણતો હતો, અત્યારે પણ ભણું છું અને હવે પણ હું ભણવાનો છું. એનો મતલબ કે this is the present perfect and it is the continuous process is together make is a present perfect continuous tense. Okay, let's see how we can be study in this present perfect continuous tense. We already study about the three types of tense in at present we are study about the present tense. So in present tense we already study simple present tense, simple present continuous tense, present perfect tense. Now today we start with the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so as usual we are study about the how to make the sentence in the form of present perfect continuous tense and negative sentence. Also, it's the questions form of present perfect continuous tense and our exercise. Okay, so let us start with the first topic of the sentence, how to make a sentence. So for each sentence, as we know, the tenses as a basic formula. So as per the basic formula for the present perfect continuous tense, દરેક ટેન્સના સેન્ટેન્સ બનાવવા હોય તો એનો એક બેઝિક ફોર્મ્યુલા છે જે અત્યાર સુધી આપણે જોતા આવ્યા છે. સેમ વે એની અંદર પણ આપણે એ વસ્તુ જોવાની છે. ઇન અ પ્રેઝન્ટ પરફેક્ટ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ટેન્સ, સબ્જેક્ટ and object in between, we have using here to be form, it's a helping verb, then been form, this is been and ing, it will shows us the continuous form. Okay, remember this thing, the present perfect, it will be shown by here is the subject plus to be form, then continuous form will be seen by the be form and ing form. So here is the formula, subject plus to be form plus been is a be form plus verb with the ing form plus object. Okay, so here our subject is the I, you, we, they, he, she, it and some like that. So 10 our subject, and here is the to be form is the have, and the been, the here verb is the go, so here is the going. So sentence is become I have been going to school. So here first person, second person and the third person, the singular form we can use here has. The to be form is has. So to be form is used have and has. Have is used for the first person, second person and third person plural form, and third person singular form is used has. Be form is the common been, and the verb plus ing form is the to school. Okay, so these are the form sentence that we can make. Now some examples, it will be repeated here to understood very well. So here is the play, so verb is the play, so here is the have plus been is the form is playing, and has for the third person singular he, she, it or any name is a has been playing cricket. So for example the sentence is like that, I have been, so I is a subject, have is a to be form, been is a continuous form, play plus ing it's a verb continuous form, and cricket is the object. So same way we can make another examples, you have been playing cricket, we have been playing cricket, they have been, then he, she, it or any name has been playing cricket. Okay, so these are very simple. So just only add here V, the been form, and ing. These suggest as a continuous form. So this present perfect plus continuous form together make a present perfect continuous tense. Clear? Now onwards we have to study about the negative sentence. So what happened in a formula? The subject is there, to be is there, been, verb ing and object is there. Just we insert to be with not. Only the change is that the positive sentence to negative sentence, you just add to be with not. This sentence become a negative sentence. So same way, here is the sentence, I have been playing cricket, and he has been playing cricket. I just add has into not, have and the not. The sentence became, I have not been playing cricket, you have not been, we have not been, they have not been. Same with third person singular sentence, he has not been playing cricket, she has not, it has not, and name has not been playing cricket. So it is very simple. You just add only the not form into to be. So it becomes a negative sentence of present perfect continuous. Now our third is a question form in a present perfect continuous. How we make the question form? So is the formula. The basic formula changes is that the to be form is transferred to in forward or in front of the subject. So before the subject is to be form is written here, then subject, then been, verb ing is a similar. Okay. So here is the some sentences that we have to change. Here have and has is used to be form for the present perfect continuous for the singular, single person, second person and third person plural form. And third person singular it has, then been is common, playing, play plus ing and the cricket. So sentences, I have been playing cricket, you have been, we have been, he, see, it. So how it converted to question form? So you just have is in forward with the before the subject. So have I been playing cricket and question mark. Same, have you been, then have we been, then have they been playing cricket, he, she, it, has he, has she, has it, has any name been playing cricket. So students, I think it is a very simple. So this is your question form. Now our times to exercise. So fill in the blanks with the appropriate present perfect continuous tense from form of the verb given in the bracket. બ્રેકેટમાં તમને જે વર્બ આપ્યા છે એ વર્બને તમારે પ્રેઝન્ટ પરફેક્ટ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ફોર્મમાં ચેન્જ કરવાનું છે અને ફિલ કરવાનું છે. જોઈએ આપણે. Make a sentence in the present perfect continuous tense. Here is the some fill in the blanks. Here first one is a I dash since morning study. The study is our verb form. So this verb form is a change in a continuous form is a plus ing and add been. So here I have used I ની જોડે શું આવશે to be form have. So I have plus add been plus verb plus ing, the studying. So our answer is I have been studying. Okay. So here is the have because of this is I. So I plus to be plus been plus verb plus ing. Okay. Same way, second is the same not form. Here is the negative form. Not eat since yesterday. He is sick. So same is a third person singular. So here I use as a has, then negative form. Has plus not, then been eating. So this is positive sentence and this is negative sentence. But here is a third person singular same. So here I use has. Is a first person singular that I use have. Okay. So remember this thing. Third one is they. They is means third person plural form. So here I is using have, then been and our verb is play, is a playing. So it's simple. Here is the my friends, then my friends also plural form, then have been asking, then my father has been working, she is tired, she has been cooking. So answer is she has been cooking. Here is a you, and this question form. So here we are using first here to be form. The here to be form is have. So I am using here have. Have you. Then now been form and ing form of the cry. So it will be been crying. Okay, the been crying. Now is the John, then take. The John is a third person singular. So it means has plus been plus taking. So it is simple. So every student must be understood how we make the present perfect continuous tense for given a verb in the bracket. So this type of examples will ask in the university or GTU exam paper. So you have to practice lot of. Okay. So after the previous exercise, you will be able to performing English workbook page 7 and 8. Every lecture I say this number of page will be completed. So every students must be follow this instruction and fill the workbook and kept one side. Whenever I asking to submit, then and then you will be submit. Many students ask કે ઇંગ્લિશમાં શું લખવાનું છે why where I will be work. Only in a grammar portion you have to use the workbook page 7 and 8 for the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so in the next lecture we will discuss about the all four comparisons of our tenses present tense. Okay, and you will be revise. Okay, so in our next MCQ test the syllabus is up to this lecture. So next lecture is the revision lectures of present tense, all types of present tense and its comparisons. Okay students, so next lecture is the revision and comparison of the all the four types of present tense. This will be included in the our MCQ test on starting from the 4th. Okay, so this 8 up to page 8 you have to practice. So then after we will start the next topic is a simple past tense. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope you have understood very well, and from next lecture we have to discuss the